How to use Amazon Prime Visa rewards on Amazon. Hey guys, if you would like to use Amazon Prime Visa rewards on Amazon, you may follow up the steps. So, what you may do is first of all, head over and access the Amazon application on your device, or you can head over to Amazon.com. Once you are there, you may just go ahead and add the items that you want to purchase to your shopping cart. You can use the search bar at the top of your screen and look out for products. For example, I would like to purchase a phone. So you can basically go ahead and search for the results and tap on the phone that you would like to add it, like buy, tap on it. And once you buy it, you will be finding this interface right here. You can just go ahead and add the product into your cart. You can look out for the product details and everything. And then you can just go ahead and look out for the add to cart option within the product, which is right here. You can look out for this add to cart option first of all and add it to your cart. Or you can directly tap on buy now also if you would like. For example, this and tap on done at the top and it should be added to your cart. Now what you can do is you can just head over to the cart option within your screen, usually in the third option, tap on it within Amazon application and wait for that page to load up. And then you may just head over and proceed to checkout. So tap on this proceed to checkout option, tap on it. Right now we have one item available. You can do for two or more also according to your choice. After that is done, during the checkout process, you can look out for find payment method. And when you head over there, you can just go ahead and select like reward points or look out for apply reward points option or similar wording, and you will be able to see how many points you want to use towards your purchase. After that is done, you can just go ahead and review your order summary to ensure the points has been applied correctly and that the total reflects the desired discount. After that, click on place order to complete the purchase, and that way you may just go ahead and use Amazon Prime Visa rewards on Amazon. And that is it. So therefore, you may also follow the same process if you would like to use Amazon Prime Visa rewards on Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.